Greetings and salutations YouTube, it's Hadrian here. How is everyone doing today? Hope you guys are all doing fantastic. Welcome to a new video. If you guys are love thrifting videos, thrift hauls, vlogs, and all that, don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, and don't forget to check out my Instagram and Facebook, it's Hadrian, just like it's spelled here, and check out my shop, itsHadrian.com, to see what I have for sale from my thrifting adventures. But without further ado, let's get into this situation. Now, when I first kind of unveiled this Givenchy Pandora Wristlet and some of other tiny bags that I've had, you guys have asked me to do a kind of like a what's in my bag video, and I've actually been using this for quite some time. I actually got this with the intention of using it as a camera bag, which I have been using, but also kind of as like a small carry-all. It's been raining on and off recently, and it's actually going to start raining again tomorrow, like this whole weekend. And I've been using this because it's a lot easier to carry when it's raining. I can kind of just tuck it into my jacket and run and go. And it's just super easy, and it holds a ton. You guys will be amazed at what this little thing can carry. So this is just like a wristlet. You just put it through your wrist like that, and you can just hold it like that on the go, and it's perfect. And I kind of have this little guy on here just like an ornamentation, and it's also something that's usable. So this is a Balenciaga Keychain, and this comes, I think this is the newer style. There was an older style and it was smaller and it couldn't actually fit credit cards in it, but this one actually does fit credit cards. But I'll show you guys what I have in here first. I think I've shown you this before, like what I usually keep in here, but right now I just keep a little bit of cash in there just in case I need it. And then I also have my AirPods in here, which is a big help. It's a lot easier to just know that the AirPods are in there if I wanted to use them. And without instead of searching through here. And I know this is a small bag, but literally it's almost like a Mary Poppins tiny bag, because it holds so much, and it's small. It's just about a little bigger than the size of my hand. And let me show you guys what's in here. So this is called the Pandora Wristlet, and I understand why they called it the Pandora, because it's like a Pandora's box. If you guys know the mythology behind that and all of its contents, this bag really does hold so much. This front pocket right here, this is actually the smaller pocket, and in here anything I really need to get to really easily is what I keep in here. So I keep my car keys. I have actually 2 sets in here. These are the 2 cars that I use the most, and I just like to keep in here so I know where they are at all times. So those are in there. And then I also keep spare batteries for my camera, and I also have an extra SD card in case I need an SD card. So I have these things here in the front pocket right there. So that is pretty much it. It's pretty it's a good space. It could actually hold more than that, but that's all that I have in there. And then when you open this up right in here, oh well, first thing I have of course is a Goodwill receipt. What bag would I have that wouldn't be complete without having a ton of receipts? Then I have my Chanel card case. I love this case literally so much. It is my favorite card case, and it has held up so well. I kind of want to switch out of it because I feel like I've been using it way too much, and I just don't want it to get messed up. But you know what, it looked like this since I got it. The corners have been a little bit crinkly or whatever, but whenever I have stuff in it, it's not actually really bad, and I don't really care at all because I got such a good deal on this. So this just has my cards. I have a little bit of cash in there too, and these are just my essentials. I do have another wallet, but I don't always carry that with me unless I know I need anything inside it. So this just holds everything that I really need whenever I go out. So this is perfect. So I'm just gonna leave that right here. I just want to lay everything out so you guys can see everything that fits inside. Then up next, I have another pouch. Now in here, this is, oh, I love this pouch so much. It's so pretty. It's almost like a metallic, kind of it's like a laminated glitter on leather. It's really cool. It's an Alexander McQueen pouch, card case. It also has a keyring thing, but usually in here I just keep allergy medicine. So I just have a bunch of allergy pills in here. Sometimes I have Tylenol, but I actually finished it all because I finished all the Tylenol. So I need to put a couple more in here, but I always like to have something like this because I always forget to take my allergy medicine, and whenever I go out and my allergies hit, I'm just ugh, I'd rather just take some allergy medicine just to not die from my allergies. So there's that. Then I have been like a little bit sick recently. I think I'm pretty much better, but I just have these in here just in case too. And these are just some Dayquil. There's that. Then I have, this is my, my key case. Now this one is one that I thrifted. I'm pretty sure that it's probably not authentic, but I really like it. It holds like all my keys in here perfectly. House keys, office keys, and then mail keys. So I used to keep my other key in here, and it started like my car keys, but it started like kind of scratching this like top part right here, and I don't want it to get ruined. And I think these actually like do come out if you like want to take them out. I think. Do they? I'm not too sure. Maybe I just made that part up. Do they come out? No. Yeah, they don't come out, right? And I think, actually I think they do pop out. You have to like do, I don't know, you have to do something weird. But I used to keep my car keys in there, and I would just like have it connected. And I think it totally like started scratching right there. So now I don't do that anymore because I don't want it to get any more damaged than it is. But I love this thing so much. One day I hope to have like a real one. Who knows if this one is, but it's, I'm not gonna hold my breath. It's probably not, but it's super functional, and I really do like it. And it was a really good price. So, and it was from the Goodwill. Oh, I have one of these Monopoly things in here from when I was at Albertsons, and they gave me one of these. And I think my mom has a bunch of them, and I want to start seeing if we want anything. So actually, let's open this together. I know sometimes these are like instant winners or something, so that might be kind of cool. What if we won something together? Who knows? What does this thing say? Monopoly online code game and second chance sweepstakes. Okay, well, I guess we're not instant winners. But movies for a year, $15. I don't really know how this thing works. I kind of like the McDonald's Monopoly better, but who knows? What if I win something cool? So I'm gonna go. I have one of these guys in here. Oh, and then my sunglasses. So this case is really nice because it's just like a nice soft case, and it just protects my sunglasses from anything that's inside there. But I just have, these are my Gucci sunglasses. I actually got these from Crossroads, and then it actually came with a case, which is really nice. And it did come with all the authenticity cards and everything, and then it has like the little dust cloth, which is awesome because a lot of times when you get these sunglasses at those kinds of places, like, though, like, they don't come with anything. It's just sunglasses by themselves. So that's really nice that that was in there. What else is in here? I have an Eos lip balm. I can't live without my Eos. I have one literally in every bag that I have. Sometimes I have more than one. And then I have, these are wet, like wipe and clear. They're biodegradable lens wipes for glasses or cameras and etc. So there's that. And I think that is everything. So check it out. It fits so much stuff. And I know like this one didn't really count because it's like kind of like attached. But yeah. So this little guy does pack a punch and holds so much stuff inside of it that's like amazing. And I just love it. So I totally actually really recommend this bag. I have just been using it non-stop. I do have the other Pandora sizes as well. I know this is the smallest one, I believe, that comes in. It's the wristlet. And the leather just has held up beautifully. It still looks brand new. I'm kind of like carefree with it. I don't really like baby it or anything. I kind of just like throw it around. I use this, if I have like a bigger bag, I'll throw this in there. And then it'll be kind of like, if I just like want to carry just like a small thing. So yeah, it's perfect. It's easy to carry and it's lightweight. Like this thing weighs nothing when it doesn't have all the stuff inside. So thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys had fun in this video, seeing what can actually fit inside the Pandora wristlet. This thing is amazing, and if you guys get the opportunity to like own one, I totally like support you. It is amazing. I totally recommend it. One of like the best like little like bags that I have ever owned. It's so versatile, and it really is perfect too just as like a little camera case, and I just really Really, really like it. And right now I'm just like throwing everything back inside here. Love this bag so much. But yeah, so I totally recommend it. It wears really well. The leather is so soft. I believe this is goat skin, and it's just like really resilient and lightweight, and it's beautiful. I love the way that it's like what is stuck in here? I just really like the way that it's like pebbled and everything, and the color is just so awesome on this bag too. Like, it's really, really nice. And now I'm kind of having trouble fitting everything back inside. Oh, there it goes. So yeah, so there we go. My little review and what's in my bag for the Givenchy Pandora Wristlet. Thank you guys again so much for hanging out with me. I hope you guys had fun checking out what was in here. I'm always so curious as to what people have inside their bags. And I can see the mystery and mystique behind seeing what's inside such a small, tiny bag and seeing what can actually fit. And honestly, that holds so much, right? Like, normally I don't keep my sunglasses in here, and then that'll be like I'll just like have it hanging on like my shirt or something if I'm inside, and then I'll have my camera in here, which fits perfectly. But like recently I've just been kind of like having like I like when I go out and I'm just using this, I'll just keep my camera in my pocket or something, so that's like easy to just like pull out. But then when I put my camera away inside the car or inside my bag, I always put that guy inside here, and it protects it beautifully. And this is actually like, for some reason, it's pretty padded, which is really, really nice. So that's really cool too. So it does provide protection for the camera, and it's awesome. So I totally recommend it again. So amazing. If you guys ever again have the opportunity to own this, or have been thinking or have been on the fence about getting one, totally do it. It's awesome. But don't forget to subscribe, hit the little bell button for notifications, and don't forget to tune in tomorrow for a new video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys then. Bye. I'm just looking through all the stuff back here. I have tons of dining tables. That one's really cool looking. I really like the way that one looks. And I was looking for like an outdoor bench. I don't see any that can be used outside. I know they do have a couple, especially through West Elm, but